Hey friends, if you encounter the Ticketmaster JavaScript error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Now we can stick to two solutions, which is to repair and reset Microsoft Edge, because uninstalling it is not possible, thus we cannot reinstall it. So open Microsoft Edge, which is already open right now. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and select settings. Go to reset settings on the list on the left hand side. Select restore settings to default in the right pane and select reset. The next solution is to modify it and repair it. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side. Select install app on the in the right pane. Scroll down to Microsoft Edge. Click on the three dots associated with it and click on modify. Then it will take you to the repair page. Click on repair and it will start repairing Microsoft Edge. It is just like renewing it completely, similar to reinstalling it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.